are here. Let's see the map for wiring. This bus we use it. The bus on the red lid. This used for alarms. Also the system. If any alarms is happening, if it was a fire or gas leakage or security breach, he will send a message for the owner. The owner receive a message for gas leakage and receive different message for fire sensor, fire system, or and receive a different message for the security system. So I hope you enjoy the idea. Make sure you subscribe and like and subscribe. Wait us for a new project.